This video is brought to you in collaboration with Tiger Brokers Singapore, and today let's talk about Tiger Cash Boost Account, or CBA in short. And do you know that Tiger is the first fintech broker to offer contra trading in Singapore? Also, Tiger is celebrating their 10th anniversary, and hence you can get 10 Singapore dollars in cash when you open a Tiger Brokers Cash Boost account, plus a chance to win up to 14 Apple shares worth $2,900. But first, let's discuss some common issues that traders face. One major issue is needing upfront cash to trade. This ties up your money, creating an opportunity cost. The solution? Contra trading with low commissions and interest rates using Tiger Brokers Cash Boost account. So what is Cash Boost account? Let's dive in. To put it simply, Cash Boost account allows you to trade without needing the initial capital deposit. It is a trading limit account created by Tiger Brokers for users in Singapore. Stocks purchased on T+0 day can be sold anytime before or on forced selling date itself. If the difference is positive, you can keep it as profit. And if you make a loss, simply make a payment into your Cash Boost account. Now let's talk about some of the key advantages. It is a simplified process because you can open an account in just 3 minutes and start trading without the need to deposit funds. You can trade with 20,000 Singapore dollars and more trading limit, so your capital can be better utilized at other assets. You also have the ability to pick your trades. If you made a buy trade and later decided to own the shares entirely, simply top up cash to purchase the shares. Very simple. And to put it in layman language, it is called trade now, settle later, because you will only settle the outstanding gains or losses. Now then you will ask, why choose Tiger Cash Boost account over others? Let's take a look at the competitive pricing. Tiger is charging 0.12% of trading value, minimum of 5 Singapore dollars. So for example, if you're buying a Singapore stock worth 5,000 Singapore dollars of trading value, you will be charged 0.12% multiplied by 5,000, and that is 6 Singapore dollars. Note that standard pass-through fees and T&Cs apply, which you can refer here. Now compared to other trading platforms in Singapore, which are charging at least 0.28% of trading value with a minimum of 25 Singapore dollars. Also with Tiger Brokers' lower commission of just $5, this also means you have a lower break-even point and it's easier to get a profit. And I can tell from experience that it's a very big difference between a minimum commission of $25 versus $5. For example, if you buy NVIDIA shares at $120, after considering the commission to both buy and sell, the share price above $130 will be your actual profit. Compared to other trading platforms with a commission of $25, so buy and sell $25 times 2, that is $50, which means you will have a higher break-even point of $120 plus $50, which is $170 for you to just break even. And it's gonna be extremely difficult to reach your actual profit. So you see, commission of $25 versus $5 really makes a lot of difference. And the good news for Tiger CBA users is that you can even enjoy an interest-free period. For Singapore and Hong Kong market, enjoy interest-free until the 8th trading day, and then for US market, it will be interest-free until the 7th trading day. And I can give you some real-life situations where CBA can really help you. First point is on flexibility. When you spot an investment opportunity but you cannot immediately access your funds, a Cash Boost account will allow you to trade within your limit and seize the moment. Secondly, trade now, settle later. For capturing significant investment opportunities, even with insufficient capital, you can use Cash Boost account for investment returns. So now, after hearing all the good stuff, I will share how you can open and use Tiger Cash Boost account on your Tiger Trade app. Opening a Cash Boost account is easy. Sign up for a Tiger Brokers account with my exclusive link using SingPass verification. Log into your Tiger Trade app, go to Home or Portfolio, and you can select Open Cash Boost account. Then follow the instructions to complete the setup. And this is how you can open the Cash Boost account from Tiger Trading app and start contra trading today. Next question is how to contra trade with CBA, and I'll do a live demonstration of how you can use it. So you need to switch to CBA, so go to your portfolio, then click on account switch and then select Cash Boost. You can select a preferred counter, and for demonstration purposes only, I will select NVDA. Trade and adjust your price, quantity and order type, then confirm. Once your order is filled, by right you already own the shares, but since you're contra trading and if you don't want to own the shares, then you have to close your positions. Close stock position, click on portfolio, then select positions to close, and this is where I will close my NVIDIA position to realize the gains or losses. The good thing about CBA is that you can continue to trade as long as there's available credit limit. The next issue you may face is $20,000 is not enough. So how to increase the trading or credit limit? Do this on your Tiger Trade app.
Go to Portfolio, click on Credit Limit, apply to increase. You can do it via SingPass or manual filing.
So that's about the Contra Trading, and if you really need a motivation to get a Tiger Cash Boost account right now, here is what you will get. Open a Cash Boost account before 31st of July 2024 and you could win up to 14 Apple shares worth $2,900. You'll get 10 Singapore dollars in cash when you open an account with me. As you can see, Cash Boost account is really great for short-term traders to capitalize on their funds efficiently. But I have to remind you that trading and investment involves risks. So always assess your own risk appetite, and none of this is financial advice. Other than Cash Boost account, do you know that Tiger also launched a brand new Tiger Boss debit card this year? And you can see how I use it to optimize my overseas spend in the video right here.